Today on Restless Chipotle, we are going to make an easy Italian beef sandwich that is out of this world, only takes a couple of ingredients, and has almost no prep time. I know you're gonna love it. Honestly, y'all, this has almost no prep time. You just need to start it early in the morning. I'm just gonna spray the inside of my crock pot with cooking spray, my slow cooker. It's not really a crock pot. And then I'm gonna add the extremely lean beef. I'm using eye of round. We're just gonna sprinkle on some kosher salt. Not too much because there's plenty of salt in the peppers that we're gonna put on there. We're gonna add our peppers and the juice. And I use the whole ones so people can pick them out because not everybody likes these, but you can use the sliced ones too. Then we're just gonna put the top on, turn it on low for 10 to 12 hours. If you're using a very fat piece of meat, you wanna trim it. But this is gonna cook for 10 to 12 hours. I'm gonna shred it at about 10 hours and let it just simmer in the juices shredded for another hour or two. It'll be done at 8 hours, but it's better if it goes longer, okay? So I'll see you back here then. Okay, this has been cooking for 10 hours, and so the meat should be nice and tender. I'm just gonna go in there with 2 forks and shred it so that it can soak in the juice and simmer for the rest of the time until dinner. And this is so easy to do. You just pull it apart, put your fork in separate directions and pull, and you're gonna shred all of that meat. And be careful you don't splash this on yourself because it's hot. If you come across a piece that has like a chunk of fat on it, you might want to get rid of that fat and then just put the meat back in. And we'll just put the top back on and let it cook for another hour. I'll see you then. Okay, y'all, it's gone the full time and the meat has gotten even more tender and soaked up even more of the juices from the peppers. And it's ready to go. And we've got it. There's our sandwich, and it is delicious. I hope you guys will try it. I hope you'll love it, and I hope you come back next week. I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye-bye. So good.